This is America's only major national park with zero entrance fee, but if you don't buy this specific $5 tag before parking, you will get ticketed. First, logistics. The park is free to enter, but you must display a Park It Forward tag to park anywhere for more than 15 minutes. Buy a $5 daily or $15 weekly tag online or at kiosks. 4 base camps. Choose Gatlinburg for tourist amenities, Cherokee for a quieter and seaside, or Townsend, the quiet side, to avoid the worst traffic. Timing is critical because this park sees 13 million visitors. October leaf peeping is absolute chaos with gridlocked roads. July and August are humid and crowded. Your sweet spot for weather and solitude is midweek in May or late September. 4 easy wins. Start with Laurel Falls and Clingmans Dome. Laurel Falls is a 2.6-mile round trip on pavement, but you must arrive by 7 a.m. to park. Clingmans Dome is the highest point in the park. It's only 1 mile, but very steep. It offers massive views without a massive time commitment. If you want the classic Smoky Mountain experience, hike the Alum Cave Trail. It's 5 miles round trip just to the cave bluffs, or 11 miles if you push all the way to MT LeConte. This is a strenuous trail with cable handrails and slippery rock faces. Let's compare the effort levels of the top trails. While Chimney Tops looks short, the elevation gain per mile is intense. LeConte is an all-day commitment. Choose based on your fitness, not just the mileage. For Cades Cove, the famous 11-mile loop road, strategy is everything. It's a single-lane, one-way road that turns into a parking lot. To hike Abrams Falls, a powerful waterfall located halfway through the loop. Enter the loop at sunrise. Do not attempt this on a Saturday afternoon. Charlie's Bunyan, via the Appalachian Trail, offers the best ridgeline views. It's 8 miles round trip from Newfound Gap. Unlike the tree-covered summits elsewhere, this rocky outcrop gives you that exposed, high-altitude feeling. The parking lot here fills by 9 a.m. Weather here is deceptive. The Smokies are a temperate rainforest. Temperatures at Clingmans Dome can be 20 degrees colder than in Gatlinburg. Always pack rain shells and insulating layers, even in July. Wildlife safety is non-negotiable. This park has a dense black bear population. Maintain 50 yards of distance. That's half a football field. Never leave food in your car, or bears will break your windows to get it. Here is your trip checklist. Print your parking tag before you leave home. Download offline maps, since cell service is non-existent in the park. Pick one big hike like LeConte and 2 shorter ones for a balanced 3-day trip. Download the hiking cheat sheet below and happy trails.